Amazing America 250 is sponsored by Everett Buick GMC.
In the run-up to America's 250th birthday, we're featuring some of the people, places, and events that make Arkansas and this country so special.
Tonight, if you have ever wanted to explore an Arkansas waterfall with your family but found that idea a little intimidating, boy, have we got the spot for you. The breathtaking Haw Creek Falls. Hidden along Highway 123 north of Hagerville, Haw Creek Falls flows through the heart of Johnson County. A short hike from the primitive campsites of the Haw Creek Falls National Forest Campground, its wide, cascading waterfall embodies the rugged beauty that defines the Ozarks. Long before modern tourism, this was a gathering place for Native Americans who depended on the forests and waterways of the Ozarks for survival. Today, it attracts hikers, campers, photographers, and families looking to experience the quieter side of Arkansas. The popularity of Haw Creek Falls is in part a product of its accessibility. It's considered among the easiest waterfall hikes in the natural state. And beyond the falls, hardwood forest, bluff walls, and clear mountain water guarantee a postcard view in every season. Haw Creek Falls, a scenic stop in a state that's renowned for its natural beauty. One that stands out not because it's the biggest, but because it offers something harder to find. A quiet example of the wilderness tradition of our amazing America.